In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save in Adobe Acrobat. Let's start right at the beginning. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer so you can work with your PDF. If you already have a document open, you're ready to go. Interfaces can look slightly different depending on your version, but the saving process is the same. Look toward the top of the Acrobat window for the save icon. It typically looks like a small disk and sits in the main toolbar. Click that icon. If this is the first time you're saving this file, Acrobat will open a save dialog. If you've saved it before and you've made changes, clicking the icon will update the existing file in place. When the save dialog appears, you'll see your folders and locations. Take a moment to browse to the spot where you want this PDF to live. Choosing a location you use often, like documents or a project folder, makes it easier to find later. If you work across multiple devices, pick a location that matches your workflow, such as a synced or local folder, depending on your needs. For this walkthrough, I'm selecting the sample folder. Clicking on a specific folder keeps your files organized and prevents them from ending up in a default location you might forget about. Good folder discipline saves you time down the road. Next, type a clear and descriptive file name. This is your chance to make the document easy to identify at a glance. A simple, consistent pattern works well. For example, include the project name and a brief description. Avoid special characters that some systems don't like, and consider adding a date or version if you plan to revise the file later. If you're saving over an existing file with the same name, Acrobat may prompt you to confirm. Only proceed if you're sure you want to replace it. When you're happy with the name and location, click Save. Acrobat will write the file to the folder you chose, and your changes are preserved. If the file is large or contains many images, give it a moment to complete. After saving, it's a good habit to glance at the title bar or quickly check the folder to confirm that the file appears where you expected and with the exact name you chose. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat, click the Save icon, choose your folder, name your file, and click Save. With these simple steps and a few naming and organizing tips, you'll keep your PDFs tidy, traceable, and easy to find every time.